This is Harley Moranen with Android Authority, and today we are going to be going hands-on with the new Honor Magic 4 Pro, which is the company's latest flagship killer. Or, sorry, in their words,
Honor Magic 4 Pro is user pinpoint killer.
So looking at the Magic 4 Pro for the first time, we were actually quite impressed, and that display is beautiful. The phone comes with a 6.8-inch WQHD display, and it is actually the first phone to feature third generation LTPO OLED technology. And LTPO is actually what allows this phone to have an adaptive refresh rate from a very low rate to a very high rate compared to other flagships that are currently available. When it comes to internals, this phone actually ticks a lot of the boxes off for a flagship in 2022. It comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, or options for 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage as well. The phone is also going to be shipping with Android 12 out of the box, although it does have Honor's Magic UI 6 installed, which may not be to everybody's liking. Flipping over to the back of the device, you're going to find the camera module, which Honor calls the Eye of Muse, which is, you know, it's a name. Branding aside, the camera module comes with a generous mix of camera lenses and sensors, so I'm just gonna actually put up the spec sheet here so you can see more details, but this is a lot for a flagship, and this should give you plenty of options when you're shooting photo or video. I will say though, the camera module on the Magic 4 Pro looks quite similar to that of Huawei's Mate 40 Pro. In fact, that actually brings me to another point, which is the fact that the Magic 4 Pro has a lot of Huawei's DNA left inside. Take the OS for example. Magic UI 6 actually looks a lot like Huawei's EMUI, except with Honor, you actually have access to the Google Play Store. The Honor Magic 4 Pro is going to appeal to a lot of people who really liked Huawei's phones before they got banned. Some people from our team even think that the Honor Magic 4 Pro is the best phone of MWC, but of course that remains to be seen. The Honor Magic 4 Pro is going to be available with a starting price of 1,099 euros, and that's with the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. If you want to read our full hands-on review of this phone or want to keep track of our MWC 2022 coverage, make sure to visit us at androidauthority.com. I'm Harley Moranen, and I'll see you in the next video.